Hi, I'm Devidatta. This video is all about your waistline. Power yoga for waistline, especially from beginners to the advanced. So I'm showing you a progression of two different asanas. So the first one, you lie down, weight on the elbow, body up. Don't allow your body to sag down. Push it up. Then just lift the buttocks up and slowly rest it on the ground. So it's up and down, up and down, up and down. Do it with a lot of control. After a few days, start holding in that. After a few days of that, what you do is do the same thing with the legs straight. Initially maybe with some support of your fingers in front, up, down, up, down. Then without the support, up, down, up, down. Then lying down on one side. As a beginner, just lifting one leg up, holding. Second level, one leg up, the other leg touches, comes down, touches, comes down, touches and comes down. One more advanced level, one leg up, other leg up. The leg which is up starts moving forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, hold, breathe, then relax. So choose your level of practice, what you want to do. Slowly, one step at a time. Don't directly go for the advanced one. First do some position, try to maintain that position, master that position, then go on to the next one. Keep practicing and have the benefits of these practices.